Hello, YouTube. So a few days ago, I gave you my thoughts on the Xiaomi 14T Pro, a phone I was using for 3 to 4 months. So if you'd like to know more about that phone, please do check out that review. But I am going to sell that phone or trade it in, and its replacement has arrived already. This is the Honor Magic 7 Pro. It's one of Honor's flagship phones. It came out in China a few months ago, but it's only recently come out here in the UK. So in this video, what I'd like to do is quickly talk about the phone and then do an unboxing, and then we'll have a quick look at the phone and I'll give you my first impressions of it. Now, I need to give a hat tip to Mr. Switch of Hot UK Deals fame. This is his YouTube channel. I'll leave a link down below to it. He was the one that put me onto this phone. He shared an amazing deal. I'll leave a link to the official website. I don't want to bog you down too much with specifications and features and all that today in this video. I will say, obviously, this is a Snapdragon 8 Elite phone, so it's a new flagship phone. But yeah, check out the website to learn more about it. I will speak more about specs in another video, but today I just want to show you the phone itself. And I want to talk about the deal and why I bought this. This has a retail price here in the UK of about £1,100, and that's what it's selling for right now on Amazon. But Honor are running, as you can see here, an early bird benefits special. So it retails at £1,100, but if you log in, you get £300 off, takes it down to 800. If you use the app and you say you're going to trade something in, there's another 100 off, and then they give you more money off for points. So it ended up that I paid £886, which is fantastic, in my opinion. I'll leave a link to the specifications, but you can see that there's a few different colors there. But in the end, I opted for the black version. The Breeze Blue is an exclusive to Honor, and the grey looked really cool. But I watched some videos and I just thought the black phone looks really good. So I'll leave a link to the specifications page here as well, so that you can learn more about it. But as you can see, I have everything here. So for £686, I got the Honor Magic 7 Pro. I got the Honor Magic 7 Pro PU case, which was £5 extra, but that's a good price in my opinion. And I also got this 100-watt adapter. So yes, this supports fast charging. I hope it also works with my Xiaomi 120-watt charger as well. And if I hide all the serial numbers, etc., I can show you. Can you guys see that? Yes, you can. So this is the Honor Magic 7 Pro, 1/2 terabyte storage, 12 gigabytes of memory. I've got the black version, model PTP N49, and it is dual SIM. So without further ado, let's get all of this stuff opened up. So if you buy the Honor Magic 7 Pro, you get the smartphone itself, SIM ejector tool, a Type-C to Type-C charging cable, and some basic documentation, the warranty card, and the quick start guide. And if you buy this from any other shop, such as Amazon, that's what you're going to get, phone and cable. But of course, I bought this from Honor, so I also got the supercharged power adapter and a case. And if you look on their website, you will see that, yes, I paid £5.99 for the case, but it retails at £24.99. And the charger, they've said it's free, but it does retail on its own for about £50. Now, the one thing I did miss was this 100-watt wireless charger. I'm not sure if it wasn't there when I bought it or if I just missed it, but I'm a little bit gutted because for £24, I could have got a 100-watt wireless charger. So I'm a little bit annoyed that I didn't manage to pick that one up as well, because that would have been awesome. But that is what you get when you buy the Honor Magic 7 Pro. So this is the Magic 7 Pro. And when I took out the box there, wow, this looks and feels like a premium smartphone. Now they've called this black, but as you can see, this is grey. It's grey. The only black part here is the main camera system. I really like the look of the camera at the back. I know not everyone is a fan of these kind of camera bumps on the back of the phone, but I think it looks good. You can see how it sticks out there. So at the side here, we have the antenna, got power, got the volume rocker at the top. We have the speaker grill, mic, infrared. I've got the SIM card slot, Type-C port, speaker grill there as well. So yeah, just a normal candy bar style smartphone, but it looks really, really nice in the hand. Now, there is a kind of film on. I'm not sure if you'd say this was a screen protector. It's more like a protective film that's on. I've seen some comments from people saying that some tempered glass screen protectors were stopping the fingerprint reader from working. So there's a fingerprint reader here and Face ID, you know, the face login. But I've not tested that myself, but a few people have reported that. Now, if we put the case on, you'll see how it's going to look when I use it. And this is a really, really nice case. Looks good. But the one thing that I don't like is that the sides are not protected. They are not protected at all. So I don't know whether I'll look for another case or not. I will say it's very nice in the hand because of that. You know, it's light and, you know, you've got good grip on the back of the case here. But yeah, I would like protection all the way around the phone, so I might look at getting another case for it. But you can see here that this does have a premium build, very similar to what you would expect on an iPhone or a Samsung phone. Looks really good. Good size as well. Obviously, I'm coming from another, you know, big phone, so it's pretty much the same size as my 14T Pro. So there's not a big difference for me. But yeah, looks really nice. First impressions are positive. So I'm charging the phone because it only had 11%. Now that's not a problem, but actually surprised me a little bit. Most times when I buy a new phone now, it has like 50 or 75% charge. So I was quite surprised to see only 11%, but I'm charging it up now. I went through the installation process and I skipped through it very quickly. I didn't sign into Google or Honor. I just wanted to load this up to have a look at Magic OS and see what the phone was all about. Later on, I'll put my SIM card in. I'll start transferring all the apps and data over from my old phone. But yes, this is my first look at this phone, but also Magic OS because this is my first Honor phone. Now, this will obviously be Google. I set that as the default search engine, but I'm not logged in. But you can see, I mean, it's Android. There's not a huge amount to talk about at this point. But yeah, you can see this is all the Honor apps, themes, Honor Health, etc. gallery. And we've got the standard Android settings area. We've got their own app store. This is something that's common with a lot of phone companies now. They have their own app store. I imagine, you know, to help you navigate around the Google Play Store. There's certain apps that will be there that won't be in the Play Store. You've got My Honor, Google, and then we've got some tools here and stuff, but there is some bloatware as well. Gemini, Gemini's Google, but LinkedIn, Booking.com, Facebook, these can all be uninstalled. Trip.com. So yeah, there's like 8 or 9 apps by the looks of it, or maybe more, that kind of bloatware. and would fall under the bloatware category in that you didn't ask to download them, but they can be removed. So yeah, I don't like to see that, but it's not a deal breaker. You remove it once, you never have to look at it again. So yeah, that is my first look at Magic OS and my first look at my new Honor Magic 7 Pro phone. At this point, obviously, I don't know a lot about the phone. You take a while to get used to a phone, to try it out, see what you like, see what you don't like, etc. But it looks like a nice skin of Android. There's nothing here that looks like it's going to be out of place. A lot of cool options here for the camera. Yeah, a lot of things for me to explore. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this first look at my new Honor Magic 7 Pro phone, which is now charging up. It's a very good looking phone, in my opinion. I think it does look and feel like a premium phone. Certainly, it's got the specifications behind it as far as power and resources go. And, from the reviews I've seen, the camera on this is an absolute beast. And apparently, I pointed out the selfie camera here on this phone at the front isn't great. Apparently, the selfie camera here is excellent. That was one of the selling points of this phone. So I'll delve deeper in my next videos about this phone. But I hope you've got a nice introduction as to what this phone is all about. If you get any questions, please do post them down below. As always, if you've enjoyed the video, click like, click subscribe. But until next time, guys, take care.